Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I'm from Jobs in Toronto, Canada, from Facebook page and YouTube page. So friends, today in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Canada and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, I'm going to show today's latest job. So friends, this is new and updated job, delivery driver required in Toronto, Canada. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Delivery driver required in Toronto. GBM is Ontario premier supplier of building materials. Our team is made up of dedicated and hardworking individuals who together create a rewarding and welcoming environment. Our Mississauga location is currently looking for a highly motivated and customer-focused individual for the position of delivery driver G or GZ equivalent. The delivery driver is responsible for the safe operation of a commercial vehicle and the transportation of building materials and the placement on customer job sites. Together with other team members, the driver works to exceed customer expectation. Location 1545 Britannia Road, East Mississauga. Duties and responsibilities: perform circle checks and complete logbook entries, ensure proper vehicle maintenance and servicing, verify load security and accuracy, report all accident or injuries, communicate professionally with customers, co-worker and other trades on job sites, maintain contact with dispatch and work to resolve issues as they arise, prepare trucks for reloading and assist warehouse staff as needed, transport loads safely following the rules of the road and representing the company to the highest standards, deliver materials to assigned area as directed by customer while prioritizing personal safety and the safety of those around you, act as an ambassador of the company with all employees and customers, follow all regulations, company policies and procedure, other duties as assigned by management. Requirements: a valid driver license G or GZ equivalent class and clean driver abstract, ability to drive standard transmission is preferred, effective written and oral communication skills, knowledge of basic mathematics, basic hand tool skills. Physical requirements include ability to lift and carry up to 100 lbs, sitting for long periods of time, frequently climbing up and down stairs, pulling, pushing, bending, and cross twisting movement to transfer building materials between trucks and job site. Compensation wages $16 to $19. So friends, these are the details and requirements for the job. So if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and contact this number. And if you have any question about this job, so you can easily contact this number and ask any question. So friends, the salary approx $16 to $19. So friends, other benefits will be discussed at the time of interview. So friends, I hope you understand. Friends, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our Facebook page and you can also visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories jobs available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply a job. So friends, these link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit. So friends, if you like this video, so please click the thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for updates, notification, new videos. So friends, I regularly keep bringing up new videos for you. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.